Yo guys, today we are doing enduro style riding. Yeah, this is my first time ever riding in place like this. I'm really excited. Let's see what we can do on this thing. This is new place also, so I almost crashed! I almost crashed! I did it! Oh my god, this looks so scary! Woo! Motherfucker! Woo! Oh my god! Oh yes! This is good! This is good! Woo! Ah! This is so sketchy, what the fuck? Let's go, baby! Woo! Hoppa! I'm professional! What the fuck? Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh yes, I did it! Oh! I did a wheelie! Oh! I did a wheelie! I did a wheelie! Oh, next time! Ah! Ah! Oh my god, I did it! I did it! I did it! I made it here! Woo! I'm so excited, what the fuck? But it's also so scary because I don't know how to ride places like this. And now I'm messing with my gear. I'm so far already. And I did a wheelie. This is so cool, but you know those ups and downs, they are so scary. I feel like I will fall. I will crash. And also, the first hill was like, I almost crashed there. But it's so cool, what the fuck? Oh my god, look at the view. Man, this is so vibe. This is so vibes. It's so different between, you know, riding on asphalt and here. But you know, I love both. I love this kind of riding, and riding on track and riding on asphalt and, you know, street riding. I love it all. It's so good. I would want to do some donuts here, but I don't know how. I probably will flip that thing and, you know, die. Oh shit, I need to go back this way. Oh my god. I have a feeling that I will crash there. I was already going so slow, but you know, I want to go faster already. Ah! I need to find the other guys. I left them behind there because I was getting so excited about this place. Ah! And I also hope that you like this kind of videos, that I do like different kind of videos. I want to like mix things up. Sometimes ride with dirt bikes, sometimes ride with track bikes, sometimes ride with street bikes, you know, mix it all up. Yeah, gotta get going now. Ah. Vai ole velli bro! Pinappa täytyy veist! Vai ole di bro! Ah. Ma ei näe midagi, te olete juba läinud, kui ma jõudsin sõitma hakata. So as you can see, I found my guys. They are way faster than me. Ah! What the fuck is this? Oh my god! Ah! Oh, what the hell? Oh yes, I did it. did that too. Wow! So professional. Which way did they go? I don't know. I lost them already! Oh my god. Maybe this way? Not sure. Yeah! We found more guys to ride with. I will be the last one because I'm slowest. Yeah, this is our group. Many different dirt bikes here, all kinds of. They are with us too. Oh, finally made it. Oh. Väga raske. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this. Hell no. Hell no. You're going to do this, yes? Hell no. Oh hell no. What the hell? Up, 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 up. Oh hell no. If he can do it, then I can do it. Oota, ma aitan. Oota, ma aitan sul, tule maha. I got it started. We good. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. What the hell? Woo! This is so hard, what the fuck? I'm showing a little bit dirt bikes here. We have this one. We have this one. This one. We have this one.
noh, ma teist korda see aasta alles sõidan, mõtlesin, ma kohe julgesin.
This one. Pow, pow. I think these are KTMs. That's it for today. The track was really tough, but I had a lot of fun. It was really exciting because I never done something like this before, and I gained a lot of new experience. Yeah, it was a really great day. Really enjoyed it, and I hope you liked this video. Now we're going to wrap things up here. This is goodbye.